Unit 5 Natural Phenomena. Chapter 11 The Solar System. We see stars twinkling in the night sky. Along with them, we also see some bright objects that do not twinkle at all. They are called planets. Our Earth is also a part of this starlit sky. If we look at the Earth from the moon, it will not be twinkling. Stars are a huge ball of gases. They glow as they give out heat and light produced by the gases present in them. They are very far from the Earth. The star nearest to the Earth is the Sun. There are countless stars in the sky. A group of stars forms an imaginary pattern in the sky. This group of stars is called a constellation. A solar system. Our Earth is the part of the solar system. The Sun is the center of the solar system. There are 8 planets that revolve around the Sun. Planets are heavenly bodies that revolve around the Sun along fixed paths known as orbits. Planets have no heat and light of their own. They reflect the light of the Sun and hence they appear bright. They are made up of the same elements as the Sun: solid, rocks, gases, and water. The Sun, together with the family of 8 planets and their moons, forms the solar system. The 8 planets that revolve around the Sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Let us learn more about the planets. Mercury. This planet is closest to the Sun. It revolves around the Sun faster than any other planet. It is smaller than the Earth. Mercury does not have any moons. Venus is the brightest planet in the solar system. It is called the morning or evening star as it is seen at dawn or dusk. It is the hottest planet. It has no moons. Earth is the 3rd planet from the Sun. It is the only planet that supports life. It is also known as the blue planet as 70% of its surface is covered by water. It has only one moon. The Earth is surrounded by a blanket of air called the atmosphere that protects us from the harmful radiations from the Sun. Mars is the 4th planet in the solar system. It is covered with red dust and appears red in the night sky. Thus it is called the red planet. It has 2 moons. This planet is about half the size of the Earth. Jupiter is the largest planet. It is also the fastest spinning planet. It has 63 moons. Saturn is the 6th planet in the solar system. It has a system of beautiful rings made up of ice, rocks, and dust. It has 60 moons. Uranus is the first planet that was discovered with a telescope. German-born English astronomer William Herschel discovered it in 1781. It is the only planet that rotates on its side. Uranus has 27 known moons. Neptune is a large gas planet which appears bluish in the night sky. It is a very cold planet. It has 14 moons. Satellites. A satellite is an object that revolves around a planet. Satellites may be natural or man-made. The moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth. The moon has no atmosphere. It has no light of its own. It shines because it reflects the light of the Sun. The Earth is a unique planet in the solar system that supports life is the Earth. It has land, water, and air. However, it was not always like this. There are theories about the birth of our Earth and the solar system. Big Bang Theory. According to the Big Bang Theory, the Sun and the stars collided and a big explosion took place. The Sun held the planets in place and occupied the central position in the system. Modern theory. According to the modern theory, the solar system was formed from slowly spinning cloud mass of gases and dust. As spun, its outer surface grew cold and hard. Some gases escaped while some remained inside. Different layers of the Earth. The Earth has 3 different layers. The crust is the outermost layer. It is found under oceans and land. The mantle is the layer below the crust and above the core. Its thickness is between 40 kilometers to 2,900 kilometers. The core has two parts. The outer core contains iron and nickel in molten form, and the inner core, which is very hot. Movements of the Earth. The Earth moves continuously. It has two different types of movements: rotation and revolution. Rotation and formation of day and night. The imaginary line passing through the Earth from the North Pole to the South Pole is called its axis. The movement of the Earth about its axis is called rotation. The Earth takes 1 day or 24 hours to complete one rotation. The rotation of the Earth on its axis causes the formation of day and night. As the Earth rotates, the half that faces the sun receives sunlight and has day, while the other half remains in darkness as it does not receive any sunlight. This half has night. Revolution and formation of seasons. This movement of the Earth around the sun is called revolution. It revolves around the sun in a fixed path called an orbit. One revolution takes 365 days to complete. This time period is called a solar year. The tilted axis of the Earth and its revolution around the sun causes the formation of seasons. When the North Pole is tilted toward the sun, the northern hemisphere receives most of the sunlight and hence has summer. At the same time, the southern hemisphere, which is away from the sun, does not get much sunlight and hence has winter. After a few months, during the course of revolution, the Earth reaches the other side of the sun. Now the South Pole gets tilted towards the sun while the North Pole gets tilted away from the sun. Hence, the southern hemisphere receives more sunlight and has summer, while the northern hemisphere receives less sunlight and has winter. Apart from the summer and winter seasons, we have two more seasons called autumn and spring. Autumn comes after summer and before winter, while spring comes after winter and before summer. It is neither very hot nor very cold during it.